Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Daily Speak English. Today, you will shadow 200 sentences about your daily routine. That means you listen and repeat. But here is the interesting part. The sentences start very short and very easy. Then, step by step, they get a little bit longer. Slowly, they become more natural, more connected, and a little more difficult. You start with simple steps like I wake up. Then, little by little, the sentences grow like I wake up and stretch my arms before getting out of bed. This helps your brain, your mouth, and your ears grow together. You will improve your pronunciation, your rhythm, and your confidence. You will also learn how real English sounds in daily life. So don't worry if it feels easy at first. That's the plan. Let the sentences slowly become longer. Enjoy the rhythm. Repeat after me and speak clearly. And most importantly, keep going till the end. Are you ready? Let's begin. I wake up. I wake up. It's morning. I open my eyes. I stretch my arms. I yawn softly. The room is quiet. I turn off the alarm. The sun comes through the window. I sit up and take a deep breath. I put my feet on the floor. The floor feels cold. I walk slowly to the light. I look in the mirror and blink. My hair is messy, but I don't care. My hair is messy, but I don't care. I wash my face with cool water. It helps me wake up. I brush my teeth with mint toothpaste. My mouth feels clean and fresh. I take a short shower. The warm water feels amazing on my skin. I wash my hair with shampoo. I rinse the soap and feel relaxed. I dry my body with a soft towel. I put on clean clothes and feel ready. I feel calm and ready for a new day. I go to the kitchen. I turn on the light. I drink a glass of water. It feels fresh and cool. I make a cup of coffee. The smell of coffee fills the air. I sit at the table and take a sip. I like it warm and a little sweet. I eat bread with butter and cheese. I eat bread with butter and cheese. Sometimes I eat eggs and fruit. Sometimes I eat eggs and fruit. I check my phone while I eat. I read a few messages from friends. I look at the weather for today. It says it will be sunny. I plan my day in my notebook. I write down what I need to do. I write down what I need to do. I check my bag to make sure I have everything. I take my wallet, keys, and jacket. I feel ready to go out. I feel ready to go out. I leave the house. I leave the house. The morning air feels cool. The morning air feels cool. I walk down the street. I see cars and people everywhere. I smile at a neighbor and say hello. I smile at a neighbor and say hello. The sky is blue and clean. The sky is blue and clean. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus to arrive. The bus comes after a few minutes. I get on and sit near the window. I look outside and watch the city move. People hurry to work or school. I listen to music on my phone. I listen to music on my phone. I think about what to do today. The bus drives past shops and trees. I see children laughing on the way to school. I check my phone again for messages. The bus stops near my office. I get off and walk to the building. I get off and walk to the building. The air feels warmer now. I enter the office and smile at my coworkers. I say, "Good morning, everyone." They smile back and wave. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. The screen lights up and my day begins. I open my emails and read the new messages. I reply to a few important messages. I write a short report before the meeting. I write a short report before the meeting. I attend a morning meeting. I attend a morning meeting. We talk about our projects and goals. Everyone shares their ideas. I write notes to remember what to do. The meeting lasts about 30 minutes. The meeting lasts about 30 minutes. After that, I continue my tasks. I focus on my computer screen. I type slowly but carefully. I check my grammar and spelling. I check my grammar and spelling. I send a report to my manager. 2033. I take a short break. I stand up and stretch my back. I stand up and stretch my back. I walk around the office to relax. I walk around the office to relax. I drink some water to stay fresh. Then I sit again and finish my work. 2212. The clock moves fast when I'm busy. I feel proud when I complete my tasks. I feel proud when I complete my tasks. I help my coworkers with a small problem. We talk about how to fix it. We talk about how to fix it. Teamwork makes the job easier. It's lunchtime now. I go to the cafeteria for a simple meal. 2397. I choose rice, chicken, and vegetables. I choose rice, chicken, and vegetables. I take my tray and find a seat. I take my tray and find a seat. My friends join me at the table. My friends join me at the table. We talk about our morning. We talk about our morning. We laugh and tell funny stories. The food tastes good and I feel happy. 2535. After eating, I clean the table. I throw away the trash. I wash my hands again. I walk outside for some fresh air. The sky is bright and blue. I take a short walk around the block. I see birds flying over the trees. 2698. I see birds flying over the trees. I listen to their sweet songs. I listen to their sweet songs. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel calm and relaxed. Then I go back to work. Then I go back to work. The afternoon goes quickly. I finish my last few emails. I organize my desk. I organize my desk. I save my work on the computer. I close all the files. I say goodbye to my coworkers. I say goodbye to my coworkers. Everyone smiles and waves. Everyone smiles and waves. I leave the office feeling good. The sun is setting outside. The sky turns orange and pink. 2951. I walk to the bus stop again. I walk to the bus stop again. The air feels cool and soft. The air feels cool and soft. I listen to calm music on my way home. I think about what I did today. I think about what I did today. I feel proud of my work. I feel proud of my work. I get off the bus near my house. The street lights are bright. I open the gate and walk in. My home feels warm and safe. My home feels warm and safe. I take off my shoes and relax. I take off my shoes and relax. I go to the kitchen to cook dinner. I wash some vegetables and cut them. 23:33. I cook rice and fry some chicken. I cook rice and fry some chicken. The smell of food fills the house. I set the table and play some soft music. I eat slowly and enjoy every bite. I drink a glass of water after dinner. I wash the dishes carefully. I clean the kitchen counter. I dry my hands and smile. I dry my hands and smile. After dinner, I watch a little TV. 34:27. I sit on the sofa and relax. I choose a short English video to watch. I listen carefully to the speaker's voice. I listen carefully to the speaker's voice. I repeat some words. Then I call a friend. We talk about our day and laugh together. 35:51. It's getting late now. I take a warm shower. It helps my body relax. I brush my teeth again. I sit on my bed with a small book. I sit on my bed with a small book. I read a few pages before sleeping. I read a few pages before sleeping. I learn a few English words tonight. I turn off the light beside my bed. I close my eyes slowly. I take a deep breath and think about my day. I take a deep breath and think about my day. I feel grateful for everything I have. I whisper softly, "Thank you for this day." I whisper softly, "Thank you for this day." My body feels light and peaceful. My body feels light and peaceful. 38:30. I listen to the quiet sound of the night. I listen to the quiet sound of the night. I feel sleep coming closer and closer. I feel sleep coming closer and closer. I fall asleep with a small smile on my face. I dream about a new and beautiful morning. I dream about a new and beautiful morning. Every day is a new start. 39:24. Every day is a new start. Every small action helps me grow. I can always learn something new. I can always learn something new. I can speak a little more English today. My voice is getting clearer. My voice is getting clearer. My sentences are getting longer. My confidence is growing every day. I feel proud of my progress. I know it's not always easy. I know it's not always easy, but practice makes everything possible. Okay, you did it. You shadowed 200 sentences from short to long. You practiced pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Listen again tomorrow. Repeat, shadow, and speak with me every day. I'm David, and this is Daily Speak English. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.